Hey guys, how you doing? So I am in the Bahamas with my friend Kevin. So I just wanted to real quick show you what I brought with me. We both packed very light. We didn't want to do any check in any baggage or anything. We wanted to keep it real simple. So I'll show you what I brought and how I brought it. First of all, this is what I wore. Because I'm coming from a cold climate to a warm one, I wore my fleece jacket, underwear, bra, t-shirt, and like yoga pants. And I wore my sneakers because those would be really bulky to pack. And I wore the only jewelry that I brought, and my watch and my glasses. Okay, so I also packed a small purse and a little canvas bag, bathing suit and cover-up. In addition to the clothes that I was wearing, I brought pajamas, 1 pair of jeans, 3 pair of shorts, sports bra and a regular bra, 3 pair of socks, and 4 pair of underwear, and 6 shirts, some for working out in, some regular. I bought a pair of flip-flops and water shoes, reading glasses, sunglasses, a filtered water bottle, because the water here, you're not supposed to drink it out of the tap and it's very expensive to buy it. My passport with my ID and card and cash, travel log, my planner, some pens and pencils, my tablet, book light, headphones, moment lens, tripod with a clip for the cell phone, charger, this charges my tablet and my phone, a lock. I bought a granola bar. I had a big bag of pistachios also, which we ate. This is a waterproof case to wear around your neck when you go on the slides or whatever. You can put your phone and some money in there and your room card. Some goggles. And this is all I brought for hygiene. Just a little bit of makeup, nail clippers and nail file, brush, deodorant, flossers, disposable razors, band-aids, pads, Motrin and Excedrin migraine, earplugs, and for my liquids, sunblock, mascara, mousse, hairspray, and lotion. All goes in this bag for airport security. So I didn't bring shampoo, conditioner, or shaving cream because I'm just going to use what the hotel provides. I will shave just with soap. And also my friend brought toothpaste, so we're just sharing his toothpaste. So the reason we were able to pack so little clothing was we just plan on hand washing things. So if we hand wash it in the sink, we squeeze it out the best we can. We roll the wet item in a towel and we just step on it to squeeze out the excess water. And mostly we hung it on hangers out on the little deck here. And if you do that, it'll dry in about a day, depending on what it is. The cotton shirts take maybe 2 or 3 days. I wouldn't hang them on the railing because they may blow away. So we just clip stuff to the hangers and air dried it like that. So here's what I'm going to be putting it in. This suitcase is only 18 inches long. It can be 22 inches to be carry-on, but I didn't want to risk it. So I got this tiny one for 17 bucks at Walmart. And it had this small backpack to also carry on for things that I wanted to keep handy, like my tablet and passport, etc. Now here I use packing cubes, but I'm going to see if I can actually fit it without the packing cubes. When I went to Logan Express, there was a sign reminding you to tag your luggage so you could tell it apart. But I didn't really have anything. All I could find was this bag, so I just tied this little bag. So here's my little ghetto luggage tag. So this stuff I want to have with me anyway, so I'm going to put all this in this backpack. So all that stuff fit in there, no problem. And It's not too heavy. So this piece of luggage will go overhead, and the backpack will be at my feet or under the seat in front of me, and I can get out my water and snacks and tablet and everything.